Okay, so we're looking at today how to make your website a bit more attractive. So my website, it's hosted on WordPress and it's a very bland website. It's too much going on. There's a few different tabs and you have to look around and it's not great. I've always thought I'm gonna update it, I'm gonna upgrade it, and we're gonna see how that goes. But I've basically been looking around for different inspiration. I want it to be simple and straight to the point. They say to make a website attractive to someone, you want to find what you're looking for within about 3 clicks maximum, 3 to 4 clicks, because no one's going to spend time going through every single tab. Here is a website that I've seen that looks really interesting, Ben Tisdale, and he's got a few basics on this, nothing too complicated, but it gets the point across. There's a few more I've seen where they've got different tabs on the pages and general portfolio there. So see, it gets straight to the point photos, and that could easily be video links as well. So it's nice, clean, and minimalistic. This is another good one here. And you can see there's different types of setups there. It's got a couple of tab links along the top, and then weddings, and that takes you somewhere else. Interesting. Okay, don't like going to another page altogether, but that is interesting. Yes, okay, so that's a nice one. Couple of clicks, I got to where I want to. This one is Behance. I think that's part of Adobe or something. That's a free one, but still I like the layout of it. So what makes it attractive is you want to get what you're looking for straight away. And I will be working on my website and looking at options to make it even better. This is just a quick log basically to say where I'm starting and then where I end up with the website. View portfolio. Mine takes you to another tab here with a couple of links. I've got the blog integrated in there as well, where I talk about things similar that I cover on the YouTube channel. So all that needs to be done in a better way. I may send this video to people to actually get a bit of help how to set it up, because some professionals might set it up in a different way and get all the points across. So that is a quick look at that.